In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Westpac mobile app with this comprehensive step-by-step installation guide. Whether you're upgrading your smartphone app collection or adopting digital banking for the first time, downloading the Westpac mobile app is easy. Let's get into it. First, we're going to start by accessing your App Store. If you're using an Android device, your destination will be the Google Play Store. For those with an iPhone, you'll want to visit the App Store. Once you've opened the App Store, the next step is to locate the search bar, which is usually at the top of your screen. In this search bar, type Westpac Mobile Banking. It's crucial here to be precise, as you're looking for the official application published by Westpac Banking Corporation. You'll recognize it by the distinctive red WBU logo, ensuring that you're downloading the legitimate app. Now, once you've found the correct app, you'll see options that say either install for Android users or get for those on an iPhone. Click this button, and the download process will begin. Depending on your internet speed, you may need to wait a few moments for the download and installation to complete. Once that's done, you're ready to take the next step. With the app installed, go ahead and tap Open to launch the Westpac app. You should now see the welcoming interface, which presents options for both logging in and registering. If you already have a Westpac online banking account, it's as straightforward as tapping login and entering your customer ID along with your password. Remember to ensure that the details match exactly to avoid any login issues. For those who are new to Westpac online banking, you'll need to tap register and carefully follow the directions presented on screen to set up your account. The process is designed to be intuitive and will guide you through each necessary stage to create your banking profile securely. After logging in or registering, the app might prompt you to enable additional security features. This is an important step to protect your information and enhance your security. You could set up Face ID, enable fingerprint login, or choose a 4-digit passcode. Select the option you're most comfortable with and heed the prompts to activate these features. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and set up the Westpac mobile app on your device. Use these steps whenever you need to install the app, and feel free to revisit this guide if you need any reminders. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any more of our helpful step-by-step tutorials.